Aditya L-1 is a solar mission by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, to study the Sun. The name Aditya comes from the Sanskrit word for sun. The spacecraft will be placed in a halo orbit around the Sun-Earth Lagrange point L1, which is a point in space about 1.5 million kilometers from Earth where the gravitational forces of the Sun and Earth balance each other. The Aditya L-1 mission is scheduled to be launched on September 2, 2023, aboard a PSLV-XL rocket from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, India. The spacecraft will carry 7 payloads to study the Sun's atmosphere, including 1. A visible emission line coronagraph, VELC, to image the Sun's corona. 2. A solar wind composition spectrometer, SWCS, to measure the composition of the solar wind. 3. A solar X-ray monitor, SXR, to measure the Sun's X-ray emissions. 4. A solar energetic particle, September, detector to measure the solar energetic particles. 5. A magnetometer to measure the Sun's magnetic field. 6. A white light imager, WLI, to image the Sun's photosphere. 7. A charged particle analyzer, CPA, to measure the charged particles in the solar wind. The Aditya L-1 mission is expected to last for 5 years. During this time, the spacecraft will collect data on the Sun's atmosphere and its impact on Earth's space environment. This data will help scientists to better understand the Sun's behavior and its role in space weather events. The Aditya L-1 mission is a major milestone for ISRO's solar research program. It is the first Indian mission dedicated to studying the Sun, and it will provide valuable data that will help scientists to better understand our star. Here are some of the key scientific objectives of the Aditya L-1 mission. 1. To study the heating of the solar corona. 2. To understand the acceleration of the solar wind. 3. To study the origin and evolution of solar flares and coronal mass ejections. 4. To investigate the dynamics of the solar magnetic field. 5. To study the impact of solar activity on Earth's space environment. The Aditya L-1 mission is a challenging undertaking, but it is also a very important one. The data that it collects will help scientists to better understand the Sun and its impact on our planet. This knowledge will be invaluable in developing ways to protect Earth from the harmful effects of solar activity. Please note that it is an AI-generated video, so there may be few corrections needed. Thank you viewer for the time. Have a good time.